And today, special thanks to my friends at this company here who was nice enough to send me this toe cleaning brush. So I'm gonna unbox it. So this little sticker I just showed you, that's the front. Make your foot more cleaner. This is essentially for somebody who, maybe has a problem leaning down to be able to clean their toes or their feet. So with this, they would have the ability to do that. You've got this brush here. I don't know if that'll tickle your feet or not, but it very well could. Then I've also got here. This is one of those feels like a grater. Wow. And this is the, very simple usage. That's it for the box. So simple, you don't need instructions. You take whichever one of these you need. Simply screw it right on. This is actually really good sturdy plastic too. Like, it doesn't feel cheap at all. Like, it feels good and strong. Now, this should help you be able to reach your feet if needed. And so if you twist, there we go, we can extend it. And now you've gotten much further. I mean, that's probably 2 feet. You should be able to reach past your legs and get down to your feet. And then you just twist again, push down, and you kind of hear it lock. Like, just kind of tightly locks. Make sure you pull and twist on this part and not this part. Do what it needs. And you do lock it back in place. So that's essentially how you would use this and what comes inside of it. Very nice and easy to use. Perfect for somebody who may have some type of disability or problem reaching their feet. And with this, they'd be able to clean them and hopefully feel better. Thanks again to this company who was nice enough to send me this toe foot cleaning brush. And thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.